They lowballed you? Whether it's a total loss or diminished value, don't accept less than your car is truly worth. After a crash, your vehicle can lose value even when repairs look perfect. That loss is called diminished value. Most carriers won't bring it up. We will. We are DVHive. We help drivers nationwide document the facts and negotiate with insurers, clearly, firmly, and fast. Here's how we work. Brief consult, professional appraisal, then we take the lead with the insurance company. We present photos, comps, and clear adjustments, so the conversation moves from opinions to evidence. Totaled? We challenge low offers and make sure the numbers reflect your vehicle's real market worth. Want to keep the car? We'll explain options and next steps in plain English. You stay focused on life. We handle calls, emails, and pressure, keeping you updated the whole way. No fluff, just documented facts and firm negotiation.